well, decent amount of forward progress has been occurring. Spark system is inadequate, having to run a very tight gap just to get her to rev out. It's at 19 thousandths right now. It hasn't overheated, that's good. I found my shifter, the original one. That's also good. My headlight put together. That's always been broken, but then I found this gem. That one. And then that's going in there. That'll be cool. Front brakes. We're kind of like making some harmonics, you know, like ringing when I hit the brakes hard. Anyways, I inspected them. The pads were kind of low. Let me know what you think in the comments how low they were. There were a decent amount of pad left on them, I think. But you probably ask, what's the rotor look like? Well, that's what it looks like because I resurfaced it with what? I don't know what I used. Anyways, just look how it looks. It used to be pretty messed up. Now it's pretty not messed up. Another redneck plus. This bearing was not spinning very well. It was like chink, 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 chink. Like rough notchiness, whatnot in there, whatever. But this would spin this thing as I grind it. I would just press it hard and it would just spin the crap out of it. This was probably traveling at literally 200 miles an hour. Right? I'm not even exaggerating. But that is what was allowed, or that is what allowed me to get, in my eyes, flat finish, because you would have had to see it. I didn't record it, I should have, but it was spinning very fast. But I'm just putting new pads on that. That thing should probably perform at least 17 times better than what it was before, and it worked pretty good before. And I think it only worked really good before because I did this mod, the steel braided brake line. That, my friends, is a freaking, this front brake always used to feel so squishy. And I tell you what, it stopped good with no brake pads, which is crazy. So I'm very excited to see how that performs with a good brake pad on it, and the new finish that I just put on her. Look at some destruction back here. I was test driving it the other day, right? Right as I was pulling back into the old shop here and stuff, you know, I was like, what the heck, man? No rear brakes. I pumped them, nothing happened. Straight to the floor. Well, these don't have floors. So anyways, I come on over and I got on off the trike and this thing's just dangling around on the ground. Must have happened just before I came because there was minimal damage. Anyways, what happened was, what happened was, those go there, right? So this usually sits down about right there. Well, this broke right there. Come on a second. This piece broke. That's attached to this right here. That's the other pin, see? This goes on there. Like that. Somehow. Anyways, it does, I swear. Yep, like that. And then that slides on there. Well, it just broke, so it came off and slid like that, and it was just dangling. But I put zip ties on it, held it. It works just fine with zip ties. I just need to get a new bracket or get that welded. I'll probably get that welded. That's not the concern. This is the concern. Oh, wow, look, everything's just falling apart. It's like it's already. This I haven't taken off yet, though. This is the magic, YouTube. This is the stuff you don't get to see. One-handed finessing. The more you know. There we go. But this thing has a big ridge on it. Deep ridge. Both sides. That's from previous abuse. I don't know who did that. Anyways, this thing's getting refurbished too. You don't believe me? There's a before. Let's see the after. Let's see, dude. Let's see. what else? Oh, I fixed my mounts for my seat. Look at that piece of freaking cloth and a zip tie. Wow, amazing. This popped and broke. Fix that. That's also amazing. Amazement. Be amazed by this, actually, y'all. Look at that. Custom. You ever see what's in the inside of one of those little rubber things? That's what the inside, when you cut it out, is. You put shrink tube on it, and it enables you to put on your spark plug cap when you got these freaking raised deck height, big block, everything big, doesn't fit very well, have to grind. But yeah, dude, so anyways, brand new refurbished brake caliper, huh? No, not caliper, disc. This will get cleaned up, put back on. That's gonna work like a charm. That's gonna get put back on and work like a charm. That's cool. Oh, also stock gearing on 85 ATC 250R, $1339. Okay, that's stock gearing. That always worked really well for 310s. But I always had to run a 12 tooth to reduce the gearing on the 310 kit. But the 350 kit, I geared up a little tiny bit. Still ran the 12, but I geared down here, back here a little bit by 2. So I'd run this is 1. I have a 39. I just geared down a tiny bit, pretty much, and then still ran the 12 for the dunes. And I liked running the lower gear ratio. But now with all this power, it's crazy. This is not a 14. This is a 15. 15 floppy teeth right here, dude, and geared up back here too as well, man. You know, so like it's pretty, it's substantial, it's fast, it's very, very fast. What the hell's that? No, it's pretty fast, man. It's actually crazy. It's a little torque monster. That's about all for at the moment. Things are going well. Yeah, that's pretty much what's happening right now. Yeah. Bye.